Welcome back. This is Coby with Virgin Voyages Solo Sail Away. And there it is. Today we're talking about what to pack on a Virgin Voyages cruise for the first time packers and for some of the ones that are seasonal packers. Let's get into it. First and foremost, your passport and your documents. You need these things when you're boarding the ship. You need your passport, and it's one of the important things that you need while you are at sea, and also to board Virgin Voyages ship. Also, you need important documents. Remember, have these things on you while you're cruising. You would not be able to charm your way with just a smile trying to get on this ship without your passport or important documents. Just saying. Next, swimwear. Multiple swimwear would be nice, whether it's your swimming trunks or your bathing suits. If you have multiple swimwear, it'll be less luxury. Since we're talking about, what to wear at the pool and stuff like that, dress comfortable, dress casual, t-shirts, shorts, slacks, and if y'all ladies want to wear a dress or something like that, that right there is nice too as well. And don't forget, Scarlet Night. With Scarlet Night, make sure you have something red. And there it is. Now, let's talk a little bit about shoes. Comfortable shoes. You're walking on the deck and you're going to be spending a lot of your time walking. So just make sure you have some comfortable shoes. Keep it comfortable, and for those fancy times when you're going to a nice restaurant like The Wake, you can dress it up and look real nice and everything. Now, during that time, if y'all females want to wear them stilettos or something like that, and look fashionably fashionist. Wait a minute, is fashionist a word? Anyway, looking fabulous, then that right there is cool. But I don't think I'm gonna recommend you walking in some stilettos on the deck. Just saying. But make sure you wear comfortable shoes. Now, sunglasses and hats. To make sure you keep all those sun rays off of you. Some nice sunglasses and some nice hats or ball caps and everything will do the trick. And also, don't forget about that sunscreen and the medication and different things that you need. If those individuals that's traveling is on medication. And don't forget, for those of y'all that may be having some seasickness, or you may not even know that you may get seasick, just make sure that you bring along the whichever one that you like, where it's the band or the patch or whatever type of sea sickness that you would like. Make sure you bring that along too as well. You never know. Now, for those of y'all that loves to take pictures, don't forget to bring your camera or use your smartphone as well. And don't forget about your toiletries, your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your shampoo, your conditioner, the body lotion, all of those personal items that you would need to make your trip a little bit more comfortable. Don't forget those things as well. Last but not least, don't forget to bring your water bottle because you will want to stay hydrated. And there's different stations around Virgin Voyages ship that you can refill, your bottled water. And also in your cabin, your steward will make sure that you have water there as well. It being a nice little glass pitcher or plastic pitcher. And each time they, come to make sure your room is good, if it needs to be refilled, they'll refill it. And if you know it's not refilled, just let them know. And they should be happy to go ahead on and make sure that it's taken care of. So this is just a few little things for packing, dealing with your first time going on a Virgin Voyages cruise, or for some of those individuals that has been on several different cruises. It's just a little refresher, what should I pack, what should I not pack, and everything like that. This is Coby with Solo Sail Away. Peace.